Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you 3 vignette stylings. Come on with me, guys. Now in this first styling right here, it's in my living room and it is wintry. I absolutely love these colors. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, all 3 of these pieces were all DIYs that I handmade myself. I absolutely love them. Let's move on to the next one. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignettes, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. The theme is Winter Wonderland, even though I did include other winter occasions. And let me tell you who the co-hosts are. So we have Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Barbie Daly, Rural Life in the Valley. So I hope you guys are enjoying this first one. I'm absolutely loving the hunter green and the fur. So here we go with the second one. With this one, I decided to go with one of my mirror trays. So we're starting out with it. It's not a very big tray. And then I thrifted this Eiffel Tower in gold. It's so beautiful. Then I'm going to be placing in the tray that little accent piece with the greenery. And we are going to add a candle and we're going to drape over one of the furs that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. And this came out absolutely beautiful. Alright, so we're lighting the candle to this one and we're going to head on over to the reveal. Isn't this beautiful? This would be great in any area of your home. I really do love the way this tray came out, so I think we need to head on over to the third one, and that one came out beautiful as well. Now I'm loving the shape to this black tray, and those roses that came in that beautiful container that says Happy Valentine's Day, that came from the Dollar Tree, guys. And so did that candle holder that you see right there along with the candle, and then the little bear holding the heart. I just purchased that at Walmart. We're gonna drape over one of these neck scarves that look like fur. I love it. That came from the Dollar Tree as well. This is such a budget friendly vignettes, all of them. And so we're going to light the candle to this one, and then we'll head on over to the review. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating them for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.